Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. We're here in Work for It World Headquarters 2.0. And before we even jump into this video, I want to show you something that I just got right here. As you guys know, I'm a small business owner, and I like to support my friends that are starting up their own small businesses as well. So in this package here, we've got, if I can open it, there we go, a dog collar. Now my friend, she actually makes these. Her company is ABBEY and Ella Collars. I will put a link down in the description. Go check them out, guys. These things are absolutely awesome. Handmade. She crushed it on this one. This one's obviously for my girlfriend's dog, not for Gunner. It's a little too feminine for him. So what we got going on today is, as you know, we've been slowly doing more and more work to the OBS out there. Yesterday we ripped off the exhaust. Still haven't had time to get over to Preston's to have them kind of reroute me an exhaust in front of the rear tire. But that being said, the thing absolutely sounds killer as is. Like, other than cleaning up the look of it, I kind of don't even think it needs any more exhaust put on it. But regardless, one of the things I've been really wanting to do to this truck for a long time is I want to put a 6.4 Power Stroke bumper on it, which I believe is a 2008 to 2010 Power Stroke. Those bumpers fit the OBS trucks beautifully. They look awesome, and all it takes is you can either make your own brackets, or for like 60 to 80 bucks, companies out there sell 2 brackets, and it's essentially bolt on minus a little bit of trimming on the front of your frame. So I'm here now to actually pick up my toolkit right now. I'm gonna hop in the truck. We're gonna meet up with Wes, and we're gonna head over to the Junkyards because I found some 6.4 bumpers online, but it's hard to tell, like, if you're just getting the bumper shell or if you're getting the whole bumper. I don't know exactly what I'm getting based on some of the pictures that I'm looking at. So I figured, well, let's just go to a junkyard, and then hopefully we can find like a complete bumper for, I don't know, it's California, so it's probably gonna cost more than it would be brand new. But if we find one for a reasonable price, then that'll just simplify that whole process. Now, junkyards where we're at, I haven't been in a long time because the last time I went, it was, I don't know, it was horrible. They want to charge a cover fee to get in. They got all kinds of crazy rules. Like, it's weird, guys. So prepare yourselves. It's probably not like the junkyards where you're from, or maybe it's changed. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So we've got one part of the city, which is where we're at right now, and it is just street after street after street of all kinds. Oh, jeez, hold on. All kinds of junkyards. Like the one over here over my shoulder specializes in auto glass. The one over here specializes in Audis. The one over here, Monday Madness, $8, any casing. Over in the lot behind me is aggregate recycling, or like concrete recycling. And these things literally scale from, like, some of these yards are acres all the way down to like a 200 square foot little like wrecking yard. Working on cars in this lot is prohibited. Ooh. And look who just showed up. Oh, hey Wes, good to see you, buddy.
What's up?
It's only been 2
hours.
2 hours, yeah. Look at this, Wes bringing his own tools. Man, I shouldn't even gone to the warehouse. Yeah. Now, one thing, if you see the front of this building over here, is there's like 8,000 signs. I'm willing to bet one of them says, hey, don't bring your big ass camera in here. They seem to really freak out though, these places. For whatever reason, they seem to, like, they're just always on edge and they don't trust anybody. So we'll see. Let's see if we can get the camera in. Good. Ended up being $3 a piece to come in here. Dang, man, this is not the prime section right here. I mean, they got this thing's beautiful. Nice Lexus. Oh, look, dude, they got a pole right there labeled Mopar. We just, where's Ford? All right, Wes, I see a big old sign that says Ford over that way, but I'm pretty sure there's a truck section here.
Yeah, I think this is like SUV and truck.
Dang, you know, one thing I'm noticing, there's a lot of Ford vans. All the GMC ones are still running. They haven't made it to the junkyard. Let's see, Ford. Yeah, what do we got here? Little 80s Ford. I like these mirrors a lot better than the giant oversized tow mirrors that I have. I kind of wish my truck had these. If it had these, I would leave them. I wouldn't even touch ever changing the mirrors on it, but unfortunately I got the giant ones. I don't know, but I kind of want to get in the business of making and selling these little pipe stands, because jeez, there's a ton of them here. Oh yeah, dude, this 93 is beautiful.
Chop top.
Yeah, right? We take this into a little convertible. Dude, check this thing out. The Private. Can you imagine, dude?
I don't even want to know what happened in that van.
Can we get this thing running, dude, and give it to Dave? Oh, did it catch fire, or is it just the Private? Woo! I mean, I don't want to touch anything that's in the Private, but I kind of want to see inside the Private. This bad boy is a classic right here. Can't see it, but tell me what you guys see. Is it beautiful? Can we restore it? So there's actually a few OBS trucks that we found here, and obviously that's not what we're looking for today. What's on the other side of this wall? Nothing? It's not what we're looking for.
A limo.
So on my list of vehicles I've wanted since I was a kid, and this is no joke, it's sitting right here. It's beyond repair, but I've always wanted either like an 80s Cadillac Brougham limo or a Fleetwood limo or an old Lincoln limo, and I only want the 3-window. Anything bigger is too big. There's something just super awesome and classy about these things. I have seriously wanted one forever, and back with me and Chris, like Chris wants one as well, we were finding a lot of them for sale, but we just didn't have money. So we missed out on a lot of great opportunities to own one of these bad boys. But, and now this one made it to Junkyard. I think it's been ripped open a little bit here, but man, look at the interior, look at the TV. That is classy, and a little old RCA TV there.
Fun fact, this was Donald Trump Sr.'s personal limousine from 1985.
Oh, this is his?
This is it.
Oh yeah? You have the documentation?
Yes.
All right. You know, some people have the certain vehicles that they're in love with. This is one that I just hate to see in a junkyard. Yeah, see, this is too new. This is like early 90s, I believe. This is not the style I want. I don't like the rounded over style. I'm a big fan of the old boxy Lincolns and the boxy Cadillacs. At what point are these things like picked too much? Like how do they determine that before it just goes sent off to get completely dismantled?
I think it's probably that time.
Yeah, I mean, looking at some of these, like, I think this thing's done. Check this out, guys. So this guy was clearly on the like 6-door bandwagon trend before it was even a thing, but he made a mega cab OBS Chevy. What year is this thing? 89? Yeah, this was before everybody was doing it for SEMA. Wes, there's some type of spatial markings on this vehicle here. I don't know. Think the aliens came? What is that? What does that mean, buddy? I don't get it.
I don't know.
I gotta say, if anybody wants to go to the junkyard, Wes is a great guy to bring along. Really appreciate you, buddy.
Well, I'm giving you the bird's eye view so you can find the...
That's true. All right, let me scan out over. Oh, jeez. I'm not trying to die, Wes. It's a good test for balance right here. Yeah, there you go. It's cardio. It's PT. We're doing PT. Wes is pushing a 200-pound cart to avoid carrying 10 pounds of tools. So I think the newest thing I've seen in this yard is like a 2002. So first yard, no luck. They just checked. This company has like 4 yards around here. The lady just checked in the computer for us. She says that there's nothing on any 250s or 350s of that year range that we're looking for, but there's got to be something around here. I know there's like yards around here that just have bumpers, so let's go see if we can find one of those. If Wes doesn't keep getting accused of trying to smuggle some parts out in his bag there.
Yeah.
So now we're heading to hopefully more part-specific junkyards. Up on the hill over here, I can already see a stack of bumpers. That might be the guy we want to go talk to. Look at that. That is a ton of freaking bumpers. What if we got a 6.4 bumper in here? Nope. No 6.4 bumper in this truck.
No tengo this año.
No 8 or 10?
11 and up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Check my neighbor. Go to the street.
Look at this. You got a short bed, single cab. This truck is obviously, it's got Mexican plates on it. You don't see a lot of those. Especially the newer Silverados that are coming out, the short bed single cab Silverados. I think they're only in Mexico. We get to see quite a few of them around here because obviously we're pretty close to the border, but we just checked at this shop back here, and just our luck, the first junkyard we went to, they didn't have anything newer than a 2002. That guy has 2011 and newer. So we found one over here. It's actually pretty decent looking, other than it's got a little dent right there and a little one up underneath. But I told the guy, hey, for the right price, we'll take it, because this will hold me over until I find a better one, because so far, it looks like we're not in good. Wes is over here falling. Don't fall, buddy. Hey.
Tripping on axles.
Did you sign the waiver?
No.
Oh, dude, we could own this place.
Well, you gotta lift
it. Look at Wes. You gotta go clack, 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 clack as you're breaking it loose, Wes. Strong.
That for $750 with the dents on it, are you for $600 less?
200?
600.
600. Ooh. Yeah, we can't afford 600. That guy just quoted us. He said, well, if it was not scratched and dented, what do you say, like 750 bucks or something? but because it was scratched and dented, he gave it to us for 600, which yeah, absolutely no way.
Thinking like 100, 150.
Yeah, I was gonna for a damaged one like $100 at the most just to carry me over. Definitely not paying 600 something bucks for a damaged, beat up freaking bumper. This is cool, man. I can't stand single cab long beds. I think they look goofy. I think the US needs to start selling or importing or whatever it may be, single cab short beds here. Like it seems like all the other countries, same with like the small diesel engines, they're finally starting to put them out, but other countries have had them for years and they're great. But all right, stop number 346. Feeling lucky about this one, Wes? I mean, they're looking cleaner, they're looking nicer. Look at the nice wheel display at this one.
What, a bumper?
Ford F-250 or F-350?
No, nothing's wrong. Yeah.
No? Okay. Can point me in a good direction?
Maybe behind number 2.
Behind number 2?
Uh-huh. Stop on the left side.
Oh, we just went there.
How much for the fish? That looks like it needs his tank a little clean there.
What kind of fish is this?
It's a Jack Dempsey.
How much?
$3. $3 each fish.
I'll buy it from you too if you got it.
Got no parts for boys.
No?
I only had 2 euros.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
We'll come back for fish later.
So, to everybody that says, hey Rhino, why haven't you solid axles off your truck? Not that hard to find parts for stuff around here. Yeah, it is. Apparently nobody stocks truck parts, for one, at any of the wrecking yards.
They already got stripped at the chop shops in LA and shit.
Okay, well, I don't see any trucks, Wes, but the guy at the last place pointed us in this direction, so let's see.
Next to the Baja one?
Further down?
Further down.
Okay. All right, well, that stop was also no bueno. Well, we're gonna try another one. The last guy we just went to said, hey, the guy down the street has a couple of Fords. It's crazy how much these guys know, like, when somebody, yeah, when somebody's got a vehicle, these guys really know. Wes, we should just leave your truck here. We'll take my truck, and then we'll let people come pick their parts off of yours while we're gone. This is a safe neighborhood, dude. What do you think could go wrong? It's not like everybody over here has tools ready to steal your wheels. Okay, stop number, I don't even know, I've lost count this time. How many times? 13 is, come on, Wes, you guys are great at like buying and selling and hustling parts.
Yeah, I am, but first we gotta find it.
How much for the couch? It's a nice couch.
Okay, we're looking for a bumper for a Ford F-250 or F-350.
They're gonna have a lot of these over there. They're gonna be on straight here, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I see a lot of newer Fords over here.
None?
Marcos? Okay, we'll go check there. Thank you. That location was a bust, but he actually had a computer, which is nice, because not everyone that we've been to has a computer so far. He said go down the street 5 doors to Tapatio. Yes, like the hot sauce. Wes was very impressed.
I just finally could relate to something.
Yeah,
They started speaking in Spanish and I
so we got Pirate, we got La Paz, Tapatio.
there's 5 dudes in the office behind a computer. How much are they getting paid?
Right? I don't know, but look at this nice setup, man. We got nice concrete. I like this one. Dang, Wes, this place is nice. Look at how organized it is.
This guy's buying a used strut for $60. I can buy a strut for my truck brand new on Rock Auto for like $40.
Uh-oh. Hey, Wes, I'll be in the waiting room. Chrome works for us.
Preferably Chrome. How much is that, like $100?
Hold out right now, Michael.
Like 500. 450.
I sold it for 2,000.
450.
The 450 for a dented bumper?
Yeah.
How?
We're in the wrong business.
You get it from the dealership for like 600 brand new.
I sold just 2. I sold them.
How about 150?
50. Then you are in the wrong business. Around the corner, they'll have like spare parts. They could have it.
Where's Mr. Tapatio at?
Mr. Tapatio.
Is he around?
There's a
I think it's Johnny Tapatio or something.
Oh, it's a city.
People from Guadalajara, you call it Tapatio.
Gotcha.
The city is almost as
I
big
thought
as
it
Mexico
was
City.
Johnny Tapatio. I saw it on a movie or something.
All right, Wes, well, strike 49. These guys wanted $450 for another dented bumper.
A little better than the other one.
Yeah, at least the price was
They
better.
wanted 600 for one that had like 3 dents in it.
Right? I don't know, guys, this is looking tough out here. I don't know what they cost from the dealer. Anytime I've ever looked online, all I can find is like just the bumper shell, like the chrome outer piece without the brackets and all that stuff. If you guys know where I can find a complete bumper online, I have a feeling it's gonna be the same price or cheaper than what we're dealing with out here. Here's a prime example right here of a single cab long bed.
That's Cummins.
It is a comma. It's a good job, Wes. It's just it's not a good look. It just looks goofy. All right, I think this is about our last stop, Wes. We can get a nice grill for Eddie. We'll just paint it white. I'll spray paint it white. I'll send it to him.
Yeah, we sold it yesterday.
Did you?
The only one we have. I think 100.
Well, it looks like this place caught on fire at some point. These places over here notoriously catch fire all the time.
The good thing, we only had to pay 1 admission fee, and we've been to like 15.
Well, we haven't been to any other pick your parts. We've just been asking the people at the front counter.
Yeah. Let's take a look.
Sitting there like a mob boss.
Wow, fuck you.
Just look how dense those parts are in there. Like, dude, I see why fires tear these places up, dude. This is bad.
If they keep like legalizing it wherever.
I think you made that guy nervous. Dude just came over reeking of weed right now. I think Wes scared him. He thinks Wes is a cop over here. You're gonna knock him out, dude.
US Navy.
Bumper outlet, eBay store. Let's go check this one. Get rabies from this dog. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddies. Hey, buddies. Are you friendly? Hi. Yeah, you're a good boy. Woo. Oh, nice. A beautiful fountain. I like it. Where'd you take me, Wes?
You pointed us in this direction.
Jeez. It's pretty slick. A lot of hubcaps in this place.
You got any bumpers for American trucks? 08 to 2010 front bumper? No? Thank you.
Wes, I don't think this place sells bumpers, man. We might have stumbled on a front for a cockfight.
Cockfighting.
We might want to get out of here, bro. Yeah, so apparently that last place we were at, I don't think they really sell bumpers. I think it's a front for a cockfighting ring. He seemed a little nervous when we started walking back. We saw his prized fighting rooster.
Hold on, guys. For traffic case. Send your customer.
I see the resemblance, Wes. I see the resemblance. This one looks paintable, at least.
Right here.
Yeah, it's got some rust, some body damage. Oh no, it's got a pretty big dent right there. This thing clearly took a big front hit. Yeah, I don't think we.
But it's built for tough, so it's.
Yeah, this is built for tough. Look at that. Yikes. Oh, nice, dude. It comes with some biotin. It's good for your hair growth.
Give it to your girl.
It's good for your hair growth.
What? How much are you trying to get for that one?
That's 300.
300? Yeah. Oh wow.
Would you sell just the brackets?
No. 300? Oh shit. That one down the street had a chrome one for 200.
Well, another swing and a miss. 200 for that bumper. That was pretty much useless. Oh, 300. 300 for that bumper. That was
They're firm.
pretty much useless. I don't know. We're in like straight up car, auto. I don't know. This is like a sanctuary where they're all at. Slash cockfighting. Check out this one. This one's got an OBS smash in a car. This might be our spot.
We want something right there. The force is up in days number 1.
Days
Days number
Days
one.
number 1. Go.
Too many damn days. Are they brothers or is the same guy or he named them after his wives?
Well, Wes, I hate to admit defeat, buddy, but I think today we got defeated.
Yeah, we got our butts kicked.
Well, I think it'd be more defeated if we spent $600 on an old beat up bumper.
That's very true.
So like I said earlier, if any of you guys have a 6.4 bumper laying around or have access to one or know where I can get one online, let me know. Thank you, Wes. I appreciate you shutting that off so we can actually hear.
Quiet down.
Yeah, well, I'd be interested because like I said, I've been searching for a while. I can't find it. The Junkyard's over here. We've gone to, I don't even know, like 50 of them today and just no luck on anything that's even worth half of what they're trying to charge for it. So is what it is, but with that, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Roll the outro.
Show us the forehead.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.